We're here today to talk about the new HFT50 on-car flaring tool from SUR&R. What we thought we'd give you a little instructional video, help you learn about the process of the tool and how we feel it can really speed up flaring in your shop. What we want to do, first grab your T-handle hydraulic ram assist and whichever punch is appropriate for the flare you're making. Right now we'll be making a double flare. So we have a nice quick chuck here. Really speeds things up as far as punch change when you're in the midst of flaring. And then you want to grab your main body, and this S-hook disconnects. From there, you want to thread the S-hook on. So there's a few threads showing up top here. After that's accomplished, choose the proper die set, whichever it may be. We've got 1/4 inch, 3/16. These dies are double-sided as far as which flare type you're looking for. Smooth channeled, you've got your DIN flare and your SAE flare over here. Very simple, marked so you can read them and know what you're doing. Just always make sure that the die sides match up when you're flaring. Come out with some funky flares. So seat your die set vertically. Always use our SUR&R's RM69 to prep the tubing proper. You get a better flare every time. From there, just slide it in, maybe. Loosen that up a little bit. Over here, you just want to make sure that the tubing is flush with the front of the die sets. Once just about right there. Once you're there, snug this up and then install handle. Now we have a couple different ports here for you. If you're laying on the frame or something like that, you've got a bottom port. Or if you're in line, you can turn the tool and the tool will be straight in line for you. We're going to use that port today. Stick it in there, tighten it up. And the last piece of the puzzle, you got a 10mm Allen up top. What I'm going to do, snug that up really good. Now that that's tight, what you're going to do is take the T-handle ram that we put together earlier, lock in the S-tool, or S-lock rather. From that point, snug the ram down, and you always want to make sure that your hydraulics are fully extended back here. Once you're tight up here and your hydraulics are extended, you can watch down here by where my thumb's at, and you'll see the hydraulic ram go to work. Very simple. You can see how hard I'm working here. You can imagine doing this with regular flaring tool where you're struggling. I'm barely having to put any pressure on. And before you get locked down up here, you'll see you never really want to touch that gasket. If you do, you've gone too far. From there, back it up. Make sure the hydraulics again are fully extended. Unlock the S-hook. Quick change the punch to the inversion punch. Lock in your S-hook again. Again, snug it up. And once again, the hydraulic ram will do the work for you. Just keep twisting. This doesn't go nearly as far. Once I'm there, about tight right about there. Back it up. Disconnect the S-hook. Undo your Allen. And they have a nice beautiful flare every time.